Today we're going to be cooking chicken and dumplings, the quick and easy way. You'll see the list of ingredients on the sidebar. To begin with, we'll bring our chicken skin and bones to a boil with 3 cups of water. Next, we'll pour the canned chicken broth into the pot. Then we'll add some butter. Also, we'll add some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And finally, we'll add our chicken stock and then bring it to a boil. Then cut the floured tortillas into 2.5-inch strips. Add strips to a briskly boiling broth. We'll need to stir occasionally to prevent the dumplings from sticking together. Next, add the cubed chicken and stir. Last, we'll add a little flour and water to thicken the broth. And that's how the Tired Teacher makes chicken and dumplings the quick and easy way.